Hi, I'm Joel. I'm a dad. I'm currently an executive in the retail industry and I have a daughter that's currently 5 years old. So for today, I'll be cooking her favorite. It's baked carbonara. My wife, Bianca, will act as my cheerleader and my professional cooking coach. How long does it normally take you to cook this?
Usually it takes me around 30 to 45 minutes.
I think I can do that in 20 minutes. This baked carbonara has 3 steps, right?
3 fairly easy steps, and I'm here to guide you through it.
Para kang kinakabahan eh.
I have a lot of confidence in you. I think you can do a good job naman.
Definitely I can do a good job. All of the ingredients are right here. My secret weapon is actually this very lovely Electrolux induction cooking range. It's a 2-in-1 induction cooker and oven. But first, let's set the challenge time first using the minute minder. There you go, 20 minutes.
Alright.
We're ready to go. So let's start first with the pasta. Wow, I'm so amazed. This is just like using my tablet. So high-tech. You know what's nice about this? You can actually cook with several pots all at the same time.
Yeah, actually on busy days, I can cook up to 4 pans at the same time.
Wow.
Well, that looks nice. Melissa!
And I thought this challenge was going to be difficult.
It's because the induction actually heats the pan quickly, but the surface remains cool. You wanna touch it? You wanna try it?
Are you sure?
Yes, try it!
Well, you're right. Yeah,
Yeah. And you were able to cook the sauce and the pasta at the same time.
of course. Kayang-kaya, di ba?
Yeah, I can actually get used to this. So from now on, ikaw na magluluto, ha? Sige nga, what's the next step?
Use the oven, di ba?
Yes, actually you're gonna enjoy using the oven kasi it has a lot of functions. It looks so creamy. 5 minutes na lang!
Wait, last step na ako. Okay naman siya, no? For 180.
Yes.
Alright.
Time's up!
Alright, this is it.
So can I try this now?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, so, kamusta?
You know what? In my honest opinion,
Ano?
sarap siya. Yes. And to be fair, may time limit pa yun, ha? Pero parang expert na expert yung pagkakagawa. Because the Electrolux induction cooker was made for multitasking talaga. So the challenge was pretty easy for you.
Exactly my point. Faster cooking means cheaper electric bill. So, do you trust me in the kitchen na?
With the induction cooktop, yes, definitely.
There you have it, guys. A newbie cook like me, who's no expert in the kitchen, made it through the challenge. And so can you. Of course, the experience was a lot easier with the help of Electrolux induction cooking range and my lovely wife, Bianca. Kaya to all the dads watching, I challenge you. Take over your wife's kitchen sometimes. It's a lot more fun than you think. See you next time.